VIP rumah tanggo gitu ane pekhago ane shanti keroi kuai ni borok ane alakane borok ane bumkai sao khodi borok sar ane behla borne jinjrai masa kamangui thangga negese naigira dihne ane sao bohok borok para borok kabjak boni bohi besa kabjak taku bohok kabjak piabati ne asik sini sigarok buha kuar buha kerak hani bang do fare bagoi sung tu khon tu khung hoya kosto hoya khane phele jau भाइयों बहनों दिल्ली वासियों आप लोग मालूम है तिब्बत राज्य बॉर्डर में है बांग्लादेश के पीस में है इंडिजिनस पीपल हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है इवन जब ब्रिटिश रूल ब्रिटिश कैनॉट ऑक्युपाई त्रिपुरा ऑल ओवर द स्टेट ब्रिटिश में राज किया है एक्सेप्ट त्रिपुरा त्रिपुरा ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है प्रिंस स्टेट है लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है हम लोग एक दूर से एक मिस्टेक है हम लोग इन्हीं का साथ मार्च किया है आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन आवर पीपल आवर नेशन आवर त्रिपुरा नेशन देयर फ्यूचर their aspiration slowly perishing. Therefore, before knowing Tripura, सबसे पहले भारतवासियों मेरे प्यारों भाइयों बहनों त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए If you don't know the history of Tripura, our history is not given important, our kingdom is not given important, our contribution of the royal family is not given important. That's the reason behind why we are not happy with the Indian government. We are not happy with the state government because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given important, and we are treated as a second-class citizen of India.
Available viewers.
This is the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. We have seen such a beautiful dance, our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich, but we are not giving due importance. This is the main pain, agony of people. The big question we ask, why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura. This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we are compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very unfortunate people in our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history. Maharaj Pradip Kishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. मेरे प्यारों भाइयों बहनों, त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए. If you don't know the history of Tripura, you will not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given a speech in Geneva, when I have given a speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 184 king, more than 5,000 years, is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhuvagra Maharaj is a living history. This history have to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history repeating. It is a fact, a true, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. Bonibagai, we shall live together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed. We should not feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the government of India and government of Tripura did not recognize our divan is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully, we can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of country, my request that in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bone bagay tini ang balay ke tong tok ka sing nakar sana tini Cini sigla rok, cini buri rok, cini buma busa, taku buku rok. Balai kosto mabai kha. Dorong sai mano, corona virus ni bagai. Onek ain kanon tongo jago. Andi kemang ma phone khai kha. Dilin officer rok, ai biro phone khai kha. Dilo kemang ma ain kanon tongo. Kumar road rekon tongo. Domono tas bai di. Kita puno koi kha, puno violent khaya. We are peace loving people. We are simple people. We are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boni bagai, anggo bono sanai. Sing jot tono, bakha baksa khlai gai. Sing sak bai sak bai takho khamjang lai gai. Buci lai gai. Sing cini doi din khana mo tang cini khana te beseng kaham ke khai nai te joto phai malia kabang ma lengle bai kha mai masa ya sumai mote khana te beseng borok kabang khlai oi khana seng khlai lai nai okok sai na hai na jot to no ani pipe laya ani hamjak ma sebani chuba ya fare ani ko kor pais nai dotor hambai klom mai kha